What? Hey there, I'm down here from Avatar 1 videos and another video inside where I'm playing some Clash of Clans. As you can see, if you saw my last video, I just, like, did some things, I don't know, but did a gameplay of Five Nights at Freddy's 3 and Clash of Clans. But I decided to make a gameplay of Clash of Clans and how I get this. But right now I'm in Town Hall level 3. Yeah, level 3. So let's begin. Let's get one of these. Move them here. What else? A goat stowage. Right here. And, another one. Right here. Oops. Our builders are busy. I don't just let them finish. But let's see an attack. Oh, I forgot to show you an attack. Never mind, I can't show you. This guy here can't do what he did. He attacked me and he wasted his whole time on my attack. Let's watch this replay. Okay, so he's sending his troops there. And there. Let's slow this down. They're attacking from there. They're attacking from Town Hall. Maybe I should upgrade it and then put more things inside so my village could get stronger and bigger. But yeah, they made it to destroying that. That's a harsh. Yeah, he's gonna destroy it. I don't know if he's gonna defeat it. But giants, they're too slow, man. Just to let you know, they're super slow. Like, yeah, he won my attack. But not anymore. Those. Ha 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 ha. Try to beat that fool. Psych. I don't know what was that. I copied it from Sniping on later. I watch other Minecraft YouTubers, but yeah. I might do some Minecraft gameplay, like right now. So yeah, I might do some Minecraft gameplay in Pocket Edition. What is he doing? Let's speed it up. Yeah, it's obvious that they're not gonna make it. Then they're gonna separate. No, my loot. I wonder. Yeah. Yay. So guys, this finished already. Upgrade. Oh, these are upgrading. Let's play some Minecraft. Okay guys, so Minecraft. So I will just erase that. Ignore the Mobizian. It's just that. Something random. Let's play in a server. Yeah, in a server. Okay. Please let the Hunger Games server work, please. I was in this problem once. Dang it. It won't load. There we go. Slash register, Lego, dang it, slash register MF Doom. Okay guys, it turns out that it doesn't work, so let's not play this. Let's make a new world. Survival. What should we call it? My game play. Let's call it that, and let's call it the same thing for the seed. My gameplay. My gameplay. Infinite. Done. My dog is just here resting. This is just an island. This is a fail. Okay. Edit. Delete. That was a fail. Not my gameplay. So. Please don't let it be an island. If it is, then I'm doomed. Yay! Not an island. So, I think someone came. Hold on. I think so. Yeah, someone came, guys. But what was I gonna tell you? I'm just going to be recording, and yeah, chop, 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 chop. What else? My dog just heard someone. You better not bark, because if you bark, you're in big trouble. It's like, no. But yeah, this is all it, guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye!